That's a 13.
That's a 13. That's a 14. The white one is a 14.
And it's not a 15 because of the tail lights, but the front is the same.
No, the front still good.
What? The fuck, man? This should be pissing me off. This shit really does piss me off. I'm good. Somebody's wearing that real shit.
Hell yeah.
Doggy dog.
You wanna go walk around?
Yeah, that's cool.
The window's
Take a
down.
look at my leather while you walk by.
Huh?
Don't look at the bottom of the seats, just look at the top.
I'll peep your leather.
Look at the Newport. I was trying to let it air out. You know what I'm saying?
That's all good.
It's not bad though for
Honestly, yeah.
you already know I'm gonna throw that H in there, bitch.
You gonna put an H in it? H22? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Boy, to have as many miles as got on it, man, that shit runs like a damn dream. Like, I'm like, damn, I'm about to put some boost on this bitch.
Hey, what's the highest H you can be? Or K?
The highest H.
H or K?
Horsepower?
Nah, like, you know how they got like the K20, K22?
The highest H is the
Oh.
H23. The highest K is the
Okay.
I mean, but you
And
can
then-
pull
and then
a
the
K24 out to a K26 and an H23 out to an H25.
Yeah, that too, but I was just saying stop.
Like you did your 4 to a what? 8?
Yeah. Huh? Said the grill? What the
Grill and the headlight lids.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
Put a front lip on that shit would be badass though, right?
Yeah. Like a carbon lip around the whole. You do it around the whole car, and maybe like a diffuser kind of little something in the back.
Yeah. And still VIP with the diffuser on there too. That's what I was thinking about doing with the Accord, yo. Since you got the leather, doing the VIP with damn put the diffusers on it. Yeah.
It's a lot.
Appreciate it.
Hey, it's a lot of potential in any car. You know.
She said it goes black. Put that damn shine on that black, bro. Make it roll one.
That's a TL making some noise.
Bryson should have rode out with them.
I know, right? It's a damn crew. I should roll with them. Be a bike.
I'm sitting there interrupt all that.
I'm about to start making videos too, yo.
I'm telling you.
A little digital camera and shit.
Hey, I got one in the car. My shit dead. I just got it, yo, and I'm about to have a nice one, man. My boy, he said he about to get me right. And then I already got, I got everything else. But
Yo, we had to meet.
I need some
in the Bull City.
some GoPros.
You know what I'm saying? We got here about an hour and a half ago.
Huh?
It's got a little camera in the back.
Okay. Let me see.
It's got a dent in the side.
Which one? Oh man, I don't even know if I want to put that on. But you got the okay, there we go. Okay. They got the C63 AMG. That's a C63 AMG. They pretty cool, but they came third. They came in third place. The M3 was first, the Audi RS4, and then the C63, then the Lexus ISF.
Have you seen the video? It's like a famous video of like a C63 in like Sweden, like fucking with the cops. It's on YouTube.
Hey, but imagine an Audi RS4 that's all-wheel drive. Yeah. But you know you can't go wrong with that too, though.
I fucks with C63 so much.
I'd rather fuck with the M3 though. M3 number one.
Oh yeah.
That's literally the place that they come in.
I want a 335i. Those are
a little
mean.
turbo. I love these RSXs too. I used to want to get one, man. I would have had it. I'd have had it just like this with some Lambo doors. Oh, that sounds good. That's pretty.
That's 42 right there.
Damn, bro, we should have brought my dog.
That's the only reason I come out to this.
My dog is awesome. He's a husky, right?
Yeah, he's supposed to be Melody.
I want one, but man, I don't want to. For a dog that big, I feel like it should be outside. Those dogs don't really fare well in hot weather.
I have a Rottweiler and Husky mix.
Oh shit! I bet that bitch is fine.
Hell yeah, I'll show you. That's my baby.
I just got a Yorkie. I like small dogs now.
That sound good too.
Like that blue on that vet. But it's not navy blue, right? See the blue on that vet?
Oh yeah, that's what Nigel got now.
You got a vet now?
Yeah, he still got the SRT4. Nah, he still got it. He got the SRT4 and he got an RT one. But he got a vet like this now with a turbo in it. I like Corvettes, but I wouldn't buy one. I'm trying to give me something different. I mean, it's nice as hell, though. It's nice.
I'm at the damn interior looks retro. Oh yeah, it look like they haven't changed the interior since 1985. But
Nah. Hey, even the new one, I like it, but I still
I
wouldn't
love
buy
that
one.
body though, man.
Yeah, the body nice, but I'd rather have that. I'd rather have a Vantage or shit. What else I can get
For the power, man.
That's a STI. Yes, sir. Or I pick a Viper over this. Like you seen the Viper I had on there? I pick the Genesis.
Yeah, it's a Genesis. It looks like an STI though.
Yeah. Oh, that's a Genesis?
Yeah.
That's a Genesis? Oh, okay. The back lights look like the STI. She nice. She nice. They got some turbo in it.
No, it's a 3.8.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's stock naturally. You see that?
Dual exhaust out the back.
Two-step hatch over there in the corner.
Right over here.
Little light bulb.
Okay. What, Mazda 3?
It's got exhaust.
With turbo? Oh shit. Okay.